In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the new guild mechanic in Anime Adventures in Roblox. So, before I get into the video, I just want to say, please pay close attention to this whole video and watch the whole thing the whole way through to ensure you get every step and you know what's going on. Now, with that being said, let's get right into this video. So, the new guild feature basically adds a cool few different things to it. It allows you to get like like rewards and stuff like that for being part of a guild and winning challenges and stuff like that. Now, to actually look at the kind of guild stuff, like all the information about it, what you need to do is you'll start off here obviously. You need to go to the farthest right one, so it's over here next to evolve, and that's going to be called guilds. You just want to go up there and walk over to it. And in here is where we can go. So I'm going to teach how you can join a guild and how you can actually make your own. So if you want to create your own guild, you're going to have to go over here to this guy here. And you have to press E to talk to him. And it says, so you want to start a guild. So what you have to do is you have to buy guild tickets. So you can buy a guild ticket. Are you sure you want to purchase one guild ticket for 2,500 gems? So it's going to cost you 2,500 gems to purchase a guild ticket. Now, one thing to note is that you actually do have to be level 50 to create a guild, or 50 and above, which I'm not right now. You can see I'm level 2. This is my alt account. But yeah, so you need to be level 50 to create a guild. You can join a guild once you're level 5 plus, which is quite useful. Now, there's not all that much point in creating a guild, in my opinion, if you've not got like a load of friends to play with, because you're not going to be able to rank very well on the leaderboards and stuff, and you won't get very good rewards, which is a bit annoying. So what I'd recommend is actually joining a different guild. Now, you can join a guild by going to this guild button here, and you can pick a guild. Now, they actually do have a guild section inside of the Roblox Discord, or the Anime Adventures Discord, but you can also find on places like Reddit different guilds to join. So it says, happy anniversary. Participate in the special guild event by dealing damage anywhere. When the event ends, your guild will get a reward depending on your ranking. So basically, if you join a guild, then the amount of damage that your guild does is going to rank. So if you do some damage, that will go towards your guild's rank inside the competition. And as it says, at the end of it, you will get some rewards for it. Now, if you do have your own guild, I'm sure they're going to do some kind of like participant reward. So it is worth it if you just want to get the stuff and you're not bothered about, other stuff. You can probably get like a participant award, which I'm sure will give you some kind of reward for even trying it. But yeah, you would want to join like a decent guild and then, be part of the reward. I think that they're going to in the future, well, they definitely will. They'll definitely have like different events, like, I don't know, weekly or monthly or whatever. And, there'll be different things each time, like kill the most enemies, that kind of thing. But that's basically everything you need to know about guilds for now. Then I have this section over here, which is coming soon. I'm not really sure what they're going to have in here. So if you have any guesses or know what it could be, then please leave that down below. That'd be really good information. Another thing you can do is just this little button on the right. You can click guilds here and you'll have a little bit more information about everything you can do. But obviously be level 5 to join and level 50 to create one. But that's basically everything you need to know. Now, with that being said, please be sure to go down below and like this video. Also subscribe and comment down below that this video did help you, so that other people know to watch this video and they can get the same information you got and be helped out. But yeah, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.